Hi everyone, I'm Adwo My, and today I'm going to show you how to make an African print infinity scarf that has a zipper. And that way you can put things in whilst you're wearing it, like your documents, gloves, keys, phones, or anything like that. And if you want to request for a tutorials you want to see in the future, just leave a comment down below. So for this project, you're going to need a heavy fabric of your choice. Okay, you also need an African print fabric. I already had this fabric, so I just used what was left. You also need a durable zipper, okay, something that is going to last. You also need a tape measure, fabric scissors, tailor's chalk, and some pins. Okay, so with this heavy fabric, I'm measuring 62 inches by 17 inches. You see me fold it into two because I didn't have enough space to work on.
Make we meet for the top, sit by the fountain, girl. You are the reason why I the Shiva. Take my hand and be my queen of Sheba. How you walk and how you talk, make I catch the feeling. When you pass me by, my heart beats with singing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa.
For the pockets, just be creative. I just took my phone and measured what I needed because maybe I might need something larger, I might need something smaller, so just be creative. You can also cut according to your zipper's length, okay? And I also did the same thing for the African print fabric. I cut 62 by 17 inches. So before I cut, I'm making sure I'm cutting the right measurement. You don't want to cut and then later find out that isn't it. Okay, so I have all my pre-cut fabrics ready, and now we are going to work with the packet. Okay, so all you have to do is to pin the zip to the fabric right side together, okay, right side together, and sew it. So my zip has been sewn, and you can position the packet to anywhere you want, whether horizontal or vertical. It depends on you. What I'm doing is I turn the fabric right side up so I can pin the zip, sew it, and flip it over.
with me for the top, sit by the fountain, girl. You are the reason why I the Shiva. Take my hand and be my queen of Sheba. How you walk and how you talk, make I catch the feeling. When you pass me by, my heart beats with singing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. If I did by you, you go there with me, and now you don't go play with my love. One inside my life, my baby, for now. I dey want your PIOTO. Whether it be red, whether it be green, it be pink or yeah.
So as you can see, both sides have been sewn, and I'm testing out to see if I like it or not. So here I'm putting in my cell phone, okay, a pair of eyeglasses, and some earphone. So yeah, I'm putting my fabric right side up together and pin all around. And with the pinning, I make sure that the pins are more. Trust me, it will help. So there are lots of ways of sewing infinity scarf, but for me, for this tutorial, I chose to leave it 3 or 4 inches so I can turn my fabric in and out when I sew everything around. No, my hair is all over the place. Back to my machine, I'm going to sew where I pinned, and one trick is sewing on the cotton fabric. Yes, even though the heavy fabric is also cotton, but it stretches. Okay, so sewing on the cotton fabric, that my African print fabric, makes it easier, doesn't stretch while I'm sewing. So don't forget to backstitch whenever you have to stop and continue again. It's very, very important.
Take my hand and be my queen of Sheba. How you walk and how you talk, make I catch the feeling. When you pass me by, my heart beats with singing. Hey, 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 whoa, 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 whoa. You go there with me, and now you know me. My baby, for now, I want your beauty. Anything I'm looking for, be that go. Be that go. And a lot about you, baby.
So I put right side up and I start pinning, okay? And as you pin around, you realize that you can't pin everything unless you pull in some fabric, so you can pin around in a circular form.
Slim girl, body back, she get you go sooner. PIOTO color, big Gucci, not made in Ghana. Make us speed up, PP, road runner. I fall at first sight, my bully. I go grind you, whoa, that bully. And your favorite food is macaroni thing with the bobby pass it. I didn't want your PIOTO. Whether it be red, whether it be green, it be pink or yellow. I know they look face if she be over. Only thing I'm looking for, be that go. Be that go. Yeah, I don't want your PIOTO. Whether it be red, whether it be green, it be pink or yellow. I know they look face if she be over. Only thing I'm looking for, be that go. I dream say me then you bought twins, open me so I should die warrior launches. Oh my gonna swam, I mean ya progging as a heavy load to crampo, I bet you dropping. Me a player, but I want internet. Basa now, but the natural miss at a stage. The Pacific fear to say we are disturbing. My boy time, I chop up on a sonnet. One who said proud with me, a cook cry. Me, I ocean me, I am in Humpa. Me doing hammer, opa, and soon see I ain't mommy kiss. When in Malaysia, I want your PIOTO. Whether it be red, whether it be green, it be pink or yellow. I know they look face.
Okay, so after sewing, you pull everything out from the 3 inches we left unsewed. I prefer to hand sew it than to machine stitch, because with hand sewing I feel it looks more professional. And well, if you prefer to use a machine, go ahead.
Whether it be green, it be pink or yellow. I know they look face if she be over. Only thing I'm looking for, be that go. Be that go. Yeah, I don't want your PIOTO. Whether it be red, whether it be green, it be pink or yellow. I know they look face if she be over. Only thing I'm looking for, be that go. Be that go. And a lot about you, baby. Say you be too, no, is it true, baby? No go intimidate or offend you, baby. If you wrong me, I no go do with you, baby. Yeah. Forgive me, make I catch you like Oliver Cannon. No need to zoom your body, cause it big dada. You know, say I go feel, put a ring for your hand. But before then, make I see your under. Know a couple of friends wanna taste that tuna. Slim girl, body back, she get you go sooner. PIOTO color, big Gucci, not made in Ghana. Make us speed up, PP, road runner. I fall at first sight, my bully. I go grind you, whoa, that bully. And your favorite food is macaroni thing with the bobby pass it. I didn't want your PIOTO. Whether it be red, whether it be green, it be pink or yellow.
Okay, so if you're able to make one for yourself, don't forget to tag me on Facebook or Instagram. And if you want to purchase one or two, I'll leave the link to my shop in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.